The Pacific Alliance Group sued me for providing a personal guarantee for the loan for Pangu, and this was made before 2008. After, Pangu wanted to use 40% or even 50% of the equity as collateral, but surprisingly, they didn't want the equity. Thus, they still kept my guarantee. In the end, Pangu returned the $100 million to the PAG, not a penny less. The PAG came to the United States and falsely accused me, saying that I had guaranteed another $30 million. I told the court that I didn't. Then they provided fake documents, fake contracts, and fake guarantees. Despite numerous court interrogations, they never admitted that Pangu had paid back the loan completely. Based on these false accusations, the judge ruled against me, demanding over $100 million in compensation. Don't you think that's ridiculous? This is a serious matter. The court absolutely used so-called media reports as evidence. The judge directly stated in court, Miles Guo is not a good person. He uses shell companies. The judge also praised the PAG's lawyers, saying that they have outstanding achievements and a great reputation. Such conduct was absolutely a cardinal sin as a judge, and this judge did it in court. The judge didn't hear a single word I said or allow me to explain anything. Just based solely on the fake documents that PAG declared authentic, the judge ruled against me. Finally, we found an appraisal agency and proved that my signatures on the documents were completely forged, even with the other party admitting that they had never seen me sign the contract. The judge claimed the appraisal agency's report was completely fake and refused to listen. The judge was completely one-sided and didn't agree to our request for once. Wouldn't you agree that the litigation process in American courts can be so crazy? Let's look at the other case between me and Guo Baoxing and Xia Yaoyang. The jury reviewed the VOA news reports provided by Guo Baoxing and Xia Yaoyang regarding my status as a public figure, along with their unreasonable and false evidence, and subsequently ruled against them. What am I showing you here? Today, on April 19th, I want to tell you that the law, justice, and right and wrong in the world are completely controlled by the media. This is unprecedented. In all the cases I've fought in court over the past few years, all the evidence presented by the other side was based entirely on media reports. Take the Ma Rue case, the so-called rape case, as an example. The case progressed from the blue panties to the red panties, and the opposing party never appeared in court. Since the lawsuit began, they have changed 3 different lawyers. Yet we have never seen Ma Rue in person or heard her voice in court. All the audio was provided by the Chinese Ministry of Public Security, and all the fees were paid by Bruno Wu and his lawyer. Do you understand now, right? What he wanted is this. This was provided by our fellow fighter in the CCP's anti-whistleblower movement team. Suan Lijun and Ming Jianju set up very clearly the original plan. Winning or losing this case wasn't the key. The case had to persist. It persists, and Miles Guo would always have 2 pairs of panties on your head of blame. One green and one red. As soon as Miles Guo appears with Marui's green panties or red panties, he will be always called a rapist. That's their desired effect. And wherever Miles Guo is, he can have no bank account or credit card. Maybe I will be okay with taking a chartered plane, but when I take a regular plane, I will be called a rapist or on a red notice, right? This is how the CCP uses the media to completely criminalize you, completely put you to death, and deprive you of your right to speak, to argue, and to appear in court.